Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm exploring my new Global Colours line. They're fluoro colors, the fluoro pink, the fluoro blue, the fluoro yellow, green. They're really bright, as you can see. From the last one I did. Of course, it is over here. This is it. They're really bright colors. That's on a wood panel. This is on a wood panel. I'm going to do a straight pour. I've put all of them together. I don't know how it's going to work out. I've got some gold in the bottom with some white. Hoping it'll do some selling, but I'm not sure. So we're just going to do this as an experiment. I've got them layered. Fluoro yellow, orange, blue, pink, green, black. With Jo Sonia's pearl white. Then with regular white on top. And then I went back through with the colors again. And did that same. But on the bottom, I did white, gold, locked it in with white, and then we ran with the colors. So I'm hoping I didn't add enough white in the too much white in the bottom to where I can't catch that gold, and I'll just have to leave the gold in the cup. So, but anyway, here we go. We're gonna try it out. The effects in the cup are really cool. They're really bright colors. They really do catch the light. So anyway, here we go. You know what? Actually, I'm going to turn this top light off. There, that maybe is a little better to see a little bit. Yeah, well, you can see them, they glow. Anyway, we're going to get started. And here we go. All of my paint's been sitting for more than 24 hours in the bottle. Stop right there for just a minute, because yeah, and like always, Becky screws up and doesn't put a base coat, and I think that's all I'm going to use anyway. Because I've got quite a bit of paint. You don't have to use this much. Oh, all of my paints are mixed with MiX Pour Medium. Love that stuff. It's perfect. Perfect for me and my acrylics. Yes, I'm using a dirty spoon, stir stick, whatever you want to call it. Oh well. Just have to get over it. Wasn't quite ready for this. I just grabbed the cup and started, and then thought, what in the world are you doing? So, anyway, I'm going to try to tilt this to see what I can get. Go over that side. Bring it back. think I'm going to go this way with it. I'm going to bring it back. To center. I'm going to go off this edge. I really like that pink, but I'm going to go off that edge. Just a hair. Then we're going to come back. Bring it back. And we're going to make sure it goes back to center. And we're going to tilt off this not so pretty edge over here. So I didn't get down to my gold, my white, because, you know, maybe I shouldn't have put that much in the cup. But I've got a little bit of paint left to make another pour. So, I think I'm gonna give this a little spin and see what it does. There we go. Opens up that center just a tad bit, enough for me. Got losing that pink on the edge. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in. It's just a little wood canvas, but I'm still gonna bring y'all down in for a look. Maybe I shouldn't have put that black in there. My center's all wonky. Look at those ribbons. Those lines. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so what I'm fixing to do is I'm going to turn off this light. And I'm going to grab my black flashlight. Let me do that first. And I'm going to turn this light off. And we're going to see. Oops, excuse me. We're going to see what this looks like. Ooh. Yeah, I think I like that. Yeah, I like that black in there that I did. I really like that. You can kind of see underneath it. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think. All right. Have a good one.